Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp voice messages problem. If you are using WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone or any other device, or you are having an issue that your WhatsApp voice messages are not playing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, and once you have checked, you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 5 or 4 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, then go back and open your WhatsApp app again. And here you have to retry to play the voice message. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to go back and open up your app store, go for search for WhatsApp. You have to make sure that you haven't any update available in your WhatsApp app, or if you have any update available, you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated, go back, open up your settings, general, then go for web VPN and device management. Make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, you have to try to disconnect. Once you have disconnected VPN, you have to retry. Sometimes this might be there's any bug into your WhatsApp app. So now what you have to do to fix the bug, you just have to open up your settings app again, and this time you have to go to general, go to iPhone storage, go for WhatsApp, try to offload your WhatsApp, or in Android you have to try to clear cache and storage that out your WhatsApp. So try to offload, tap on offload and upload app again. It will offload your app, tap on reinstall, and after reinstalling your app you can easily use your WhatsApp without an issue, because sometimes it might be that it just will be any bug into your WhatsApp app and you cannot perform specific acts. So you just have to try to update, reinstall and first offload, then reinstall your WhatsApp, and then you can easily use your WhatsApp without any problems. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.